Tired of those pesky lines and wrinkles reminding you that time marches on? Well, grab your apron and let's raid the kitchen. We're about to whip up some seriously easy, seriously effective natural face masks that will have your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Get ready to glow, gorgeous. This mask is like the little black dress of skincare, always in style and always delivers. Honey and yogurt, it's a timeless duo for a reason. Honey isn't just for your tea, it's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture to your skin. Plus, it's got antibacterial properties to help keep those blemishes at bay. Yogurt brings the probiotics and lactic acid to the party. Lactic acid gently exfoliates, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Think of it as a mini peel, but without the scary redness. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply a thin layer to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Now, relax for 10 to 15 minutes while this dynamic duo works its magic. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Prepare to be amazed by how soft and hydrated your skin feels. It's like a spa day, but without the hefty bill. Feeling a little dry and dull? This mask is your skin's new best friend. Avocado and olive oil are packed with nutrients that will leave your skin feeling supple and nourished. Avocado is a vitamin and fatty acid powerhouse. It's like a green smoothie for your face, deeply nourishing and hydrating your skin from the inside out. Olive oil is a classic moisturizer that's been used for centuries. It helps to lock in moisture and protect your skin from environmental damage. Ingredients: 1/4 ripe avocado, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Mash 1/4 of a ripe avocado until smooth. Mix in 1 teaspoon of olive oil until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes while the avocado and olive oil work their magic. Rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry. Hello, supple and radiant skin. Is your skin feeling sensitive or irritated? This mask is like a warm hug for your face. Oatmeal and banana are gentle ingredients that will soothe and calm your skin. Oatmeal is known for its calming and exfoliating properties. It helps to reduce redness and irritation while gently sloughing away dead skin cells. Banana is packed with vitamins and minerals that can help to brighten your complexion. Plus, it's naturally moisturizing, making it perfect for dry skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons cooked oatmeal, cooled, 1/4 ripe banana. Combine 2 tablespoons of cooked oatmeal, cooled, with 1/4 of a ripe banana. Mash the banana and mix well with the oatmeal. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax for 15 minutes while the oatmeal and banana work their magic. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Enjoy that mini facial feeling. Before you slather these masks all over your face, let's talk safety. A little precaution goes a long way. Always do a patch test before applying any new mask to your entire face. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if you have any reaction. Better safe than sorry. Avoid getting any of these masks in your eyes. If you do, rinse immediately with plenty of water. Nobody wants stinging eyes. Remember, this is your time to relax and pamper yourself. Put on some calming music, light a candle, and enjoy the process. You deserve it. After rinsing off your mask, always follow up with a moisturizer. This will help to lock in the hydration and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. So, there you have it. 5 easy, natural face masks that will help you rejuvenate your mature skin. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these masks into your skincare routine a few times a week for best results. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these masks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks for mature skin. Click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Your skin will thank you.